Today is the day. We're going to say RIP to the Corsas. Yep, we are getting rid of the Corsas, and we're going to be putting on the Carven X pipe with dumps. They are race exhaust. They actually no longer sell this exhaust on their website, so I got this used off the Facebook Marketplace. Shout out to Facebook Marketplace. But yeah, so we're going to be putting that in the car. So this is going to be the last time you guys hear a cold start with the Corsa Extreme exhaust. So here it is. E85 cold start. This is E85. That's E85. Oh man. But yep. So I'm about to go ahead. We're gonna move the car around back, and then we're just gonna get started with the process. So here is the Carven exhaust. Still got the X pipe, and here's just the extra pipe to that connects onto this, and then here's the dump part right here. See the turn down? Oops, look at that. And the actually the guy who last had it, I mean, he looks like he didn't have it that long, but yes, still in perfect condition. All right, so like I said, this will be the last time you guys will hear the Corsa exhaust. So that means this is going to be for sale, the Corsa Extreme exhaust. As you see, it's got the polished tips. Yeah, it fits 2015 and up Mustangs, GTs. So if you got an EcoBoost, it's not gonna work. So yeah, but I mean, if you want it for your EcoBoost, go ahead and buy it. I don't know what it's gonna sound like, but yeah. But yeah, you're about to jack the car out and start wrenching away. All right, so we're underneath the car. You're about to get everything loosened up. But since this exhaust been on the car for a while, these ropes are a little rusty, so we're gonna spray it with some WD-40 rust release penetrant spray. All right, we're not sponsored by them, but yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing first, spraying some of these bolts down, then loosening everything up first. Okay, now we have the rear mufflers off. As you can see, we had to spray down the hangers, spray down the bolts with some WD-40. They was on there, but we got it off. Now the sizes for the rear, for the hangers, that's all on the rear. That's hanging right here on these. And what it looks like are these right here. That bolt size is a 14 mil. And let me make sure. Tell you guys the right thing. No, actually it's a 13 mil for those. And for the other bolts that's clamped on by these are a 15. So 13 and 15 if you want to start off with. I believe that's actually the only two sockets that you need is 13 and a 15. So yeah, now we're gonna be moving on and taking off the X pipe. All right, so now we have the full Corsa exhaust off. As you see, the double X pipe and the mufflers right there. And then here's the Carven Race exhaust. And it's just, a single X pipe leading to the dumps. So as you can see, there's no mufflers on this one. So we're gonna be getting the exhaust gases out quicker, leading to a little bit more horsepower. And we're gonna be also at the same time reducing the weight of the Mustang right here. Because these S550s, they weigh a lot. And for this car being all motor, you wanna try to get this car as light as possible so that we can get quicker ET. But we're about to bolt all this up, and then we're gonna throw this on the car, and then after that, you'll be guys seeing the first cold start with the Carven Race exhaust. All right, so it's day 2 because yeah, we couldn't get the X pipe on because basically I was just short some piping, so we're gonna go to the exhaust shop to get some pipe welded on. It's not going to take long. Probably need to add like 3 more inches, because from what I believe, this X pipe just hooks up to a stock exhaust, like stock headers and all that. So, and I don't have stock, well I do have stock headers, but the I have the you know, the free flowing exhaust by MAK Performance. So on the way to the exhaust shop, get that done, get that welded on real quick, and then we should be good to go. So I mean, I guess, and then you're gonna hear like a little cold start with basically just, you know, no exhaust basically. Probably need like 3 or 4 more inches of pipe right there. Be all good. Got everything welded up. Good. Crazy. Alright, see if I get this cold start. Well, not straight cold, but Alright, so now I'm gone, left the shop, home and everything. Got the exhaust put on. Everything went well. The drive went well. Just want to say that, you know, this exhaust, you know, just for my, you know, racing purposes, but which is why, you know, I just got the X pipe and dumps, you know, leading to less weight and getting the exhaust gases out quicker. But yeah, I mean, it definitely sounds way different than the Corsas. To make a good comparison, I mean, if I had to choose, I would definitely choose the Corsas over this, just because of, you know, drivability, and on a daily basis I would just enjoy the Corsas way more than this, because it does have a lot of drone, but that's because it's just straight pipe, basically straight pipe all the way from the motor, because, you know, I don't have any cats. So but yeah, you guys stay tuned. It's kind of hot out here, that's why I'm crying and got sweat going down in my eyes. But yeah, stay tuned for the next few videos. I will be doing a review on this exhaust, be doing some revs and stuff like that, and maybe some flybys and, you know, stuff in that nature. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time tuning into the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you know when I upload. All right, But nah, it's your boy Low, and I'm out of here. See you in the next one.